What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do the grill. It is hot outside, 92 degrees, so should be good. I'm gonna primer the grill, paint it, clear it, and put it on as well with the new headlights and stuff like that. The exhaust put on. Sounds really good. And turn the AC down real quick. Oh yeah, I don't know if you can hear that, but let me get to Home Depot real quick, pick up the paint because it's cheaper there. I'll get back to the house and start spraying. Yeah, so on the last video we did put the exhaust on. Sounds pretty damn good. Let me roll the windows down and then I'll give you a little taste on the last video, but I'll put the link in the description right up there, or the tag. Just click on it, watch the video. Good. So let me just get to Home Depot real quick. I'll show you a little clip right now. Alright, Home Depot is gonna get this to it and silver metallic. Alright guys, so what we got here is a package for the truck. Paint from GM, which is pretty cool. Have the 2K clear. Alright, so we have one of the straps they gotta get painted. Alright, what is this? Some LED bulbs for the headlights, fog lights. Here's the other strap. Some more lights. Here is the grill for the truck, which is a classic 07 nearby style. I'll show you. So see the old one. The new one will go like that, and then I'll have the straps separate right there. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean up this grill real quick and then start spraying the base and primer. Other stuff that I painted seems to be pretty dope. Instead, I'll hit it the whole thing with the primer, and then I'll be going back in with the silver on the grill insert parts. Let it dry, cover it all up, and then hit it with white. So let me put the GoPro on my head and start painting. Alright, so I got the first coat here, and looks like it lays down pretty good. So let it dry up, and then I hit it the second coat, third coat, and then paint. So second coat. Alright, the second coat is done. I think it's enough primer and base. Looks like I got pretty much everything. So now I'm gonna let it dry and then hit the mesh grill style, whatever it is, with the silver, which I got it over here. I got a Rust-Oleum metallic. You can use anything, honestly, and it still comes out good when you spray that 2K over it. So this, I'll do 3 coats of this and then tape it up as soon as it's like super dry, and then I'll be able to hit this with the actual paint to match white. So it should look good, and then hit the 2K clear and then let it dry up. Alright, so here it is. I'm gonna use Rust-Oleum metallic. Looks pretty cool. So spray it all right here in the center, and then 2 or 3 coats. So we'll see how that looks. Damn, that shit looks badass. Camera picks it up pretty good. So it's gonna be silver. Yeah, it's the first coat right here. So let me do 2 more coats and try to get in all the crevices and stuff, and then of course I'll paint this, cover it up, paint it, and then go from there. Alright guys, so I got all my I think 3 coats of the silver, and I already went ahead and taped it up and cut out the edges, so it should be a smooth transition of it. This is from GM. It's like $7 with discount from Monument Chevrolet where I work at. Go to the truck. So I think about 3 of these, I believe. So at least two will finish this with the other caps, and then maybe another one. But I got 3 just in case. But just go ahead and put enough coats of this, and then the 2K will be next. So. Alright, so I got the whole can done. Man, it looks pretty good. I like it. So let it dry up, and then I'll bust out the 2K clear and go ahead and go to town and start spraying it. I already did the little inserts over there. Alright, so I already peeled it off. It's all dry. I'm gonna go ahead and get the clear shaken up. Came out good. So paint match. Clear will actually pop it out, and then we'll be able to install it to the truck. So alright, so I pull the truck up and go ahead and show you how to remove these caps here. So I'm gonna go ahead and scuff these and paint them white as well. They are held on by 3M tape, so all you do is just get a flat head, just rub it, run it across, and try to pry up as much as you can without breaking it. So it shouldn't break. That hard popping is just these little things right here. But there it is. No broken tabs. Bam. Alright, so I'm just gonna hit it with the scuffing pad, and just like that. Alright, it's all scuffed. Let's go get it painted. Alright, so I got the paint primer, and then it's like a filler, I guess you could say. Alright, while that is drying, I'm gonna go ahead and take these off. Here we got some headlight LEDs, high beam LEDs, fog lights. These are the rear license plate LED ones. Pretty crazy original headlights. Cleaner look. Badass. But, I wish I got the ones without the amber ones, but these will do. Yellow since put it on his truck, so I had to get it. Brand new fog lights. So go clean. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the HIDs on, or the LEDs, and then the new headlights while everything's gonna get dry. Then I gotta go get everything cleared. Then spray it back on. So. Alright, man, it looks good. There's a high beam. Got the low beam, it's not on. It works. Alright, there it is, guys. Got all my coats on it. The emblem, I think it's like transparent, so it's kind of weird, so I don't know about that. Probably just leave it on it. The mirror caps came out good. It came out real good. The grill actually came out super nice. Look at that gloss. So I'm kind of glad I went with the silver, not the black. So everything's on there. It's pretty good. I love it. That 2K clear, man. Y'all gotta get that stuff. Alright, check it out, guys. So I already got the headlights on. I just did the fog lights. Put the LEDs in there too, so actually badass. I guess I'll put the grill on later on today. Well, I'll let it dry. But pretty much it for the front end. It's on real quick. Man, it makes a big difference. Look at that. Love it. Alright, now I'm gonna take this thing off and place it up a new one. Just like that, remove that. So let me do that. Alright, so should just put those in together. It's good. Alright, here it is, guys. All done. Got the corner pieces mounted up. So, man, it's gonna look good with these lights. Fog lights on. Let's put the grill. Damn, that shit looks good. I like it. It does need a paint to match bumper, but I'll let the winner do that if he wants to do it. The truck needs a wash. That looks freaking awesome. New lights. Let me turn the lights on real quick. There it is, guys. The LEDs. Pretty bright. We got them on the high beams too. So the whole front end's pretty good. There it is, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll put in the descriptions where I got the LEDs and the grill and stuff like that. Subscribe, hit the like button if you liked it. But other than that, the truck came out good, so see you on the next video.